CNX IT. Nifty IT को check करो. Why to check individual scripts? Individual scripts are very
So
strong.
the voice is breaking again.
So this is what IT is doing. How is it now?
It's fine.
So this belt is pretty strong resistance belt. So it will not take so easily. It will consolidate. Are you getting my point? So you have midline here. So until unless it closes above 16,000, we have another 400 points, right? But if you see daily CNX IT, it is very much heated, right? I want this to cool down, come back to mean average, and then somewhere I think if this move has some trend line support, so this is the area I might look for. So correction of 400 points, it's good to this box, and then it may carry towards new high. So it's the IT sector is in strong uptrend. You can easily notice this. Okay, so there is a gap here. So any fall if comes in the market, I'll be preferring buying all IT heavyweight. So 14,000 stands out to be very, very, very strong support now. कभी भी मिले तो ले लो बस. And keep it for long term with a target of 17.5, 18,000.
Ji, for idea.
No.
Idea, this cup and handle is formed. Around 9
Idea
it
में
is
यार,
taken.
yeah, so I've already drawn this. I'm working on this chart. आपने वही बात पकड़ ली. So I have given a buy above 1140. So the buzz is on again that Amazon will come. I don't rely on market news. So what I want is that they have did a right issue at 12.50, right? So this is a zone. This is a zone wherein it will actually once it is able to cross, it is going to shoot up, and my target is around 40, 45, and 50, right? I have bought some positions at 9 rupees. Reason being that this is a rounding cup support. And on a daily is this, daily it has already cooled down, first of all. And if you can see hourly, it was oversold. So I've seen this strong candle, right? I've seen the strong candle, and there was a volume backing at the end. So I feel the consolidation is of this area. Same pattern which I have taught you. And
Yes.
so it has taken all the stop losses of this consolidation. This is clear. And if it is going to
Yes.
zoom above 1140, I will enter my call options here above 1140. You have already marked here 1140 above the previous swing high. And then my target is not 1260. It will zoom like anything above 1250, 60. It can go to 14, 14 and a half. So my first target is 17 there. So I'm just trading that price action. And my theory is clean here. I've got an hourly oversold conditions, and on a daily also it was overheated. Now it has touched the mean average, which I've taught you. Can you see the guys, this area?
Yeah.
So it might reverse from here. So I'm just thinking if huge volume backing comes up, I'll trade for 16 and a half, 17 rupees swing trade. And my stop loss is very strict. I have taken a stop loss of 8.60 at the lower side.
Bharti also have been consolidated long time in a very specific range.
So a lot of open interest is built up in Bharti, 600, 620, 640. Bharti is not able to get a follow through. Again, you can see the chart pattern. I have shared this on Twitter as well. So this is something it is just trying. It has given a breakout out of this channel, cup and handle formation, right? It is consolidating in the mean average, but it is what it is lacking is the volume. I'll show you the volume thing. Volume. Volumes. So you can see the volumes are pretty much dried. So I want a strong volume here. एक अच्छी volume आएगा तो ही breakout होगा, and that can only happen if it somewhat closes above 9091. So let's see how. But at this point, it is just consolidating. Maybe some built up.
What targets do you see for Bharti post 600? If it is able to cross 595.
If you not laugh, then I have some target.
Come again?
1200. 1200.
1200.
1200.
It will follow the Reliance story here after
Yeah.
out.
See, just see the monthly volumes. See, just see the monthly volumes. I'm talking about this area. Have you seen ever the kind of volumes before in so many months?
But equally,
One.
it is reaching the overbought zone in WT signal.
Yes, so that is why it is not running. A kind of small consolidation and correction, and then it will move up. Are you getting my point? अब तो सब analyst हो गए हैं. So anyways, thank you for the session, and we will connect back on Friday for live, and meanwhile we will chat on WhatsApp. I have given you homework to get all those scripts on hourly, which is overbought and oversold conditions, right? And do this as in some professor is telling you for a student. So maintain discipline, so you will learn very fast.
And when we get recording of this, sir?
Priyanka, if you can share this to the earliest. Priyanka, you there? Okay. Priyanka, do one thing. Make a WhatsApp group and send this recording to the WhatsApp group so that everyone can, download it. Okay, thank you everyone. Nice meeting. Happy weekend.
Thank you so much, Puneet. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Puneet.
Thanks.
Bye, everyone.